Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw a winter shark. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our winter shark, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right here and let's just make a circle shape for the eye. Now inside of here, let's go ahead and draw another circle and then let's put a smaller circle down here. Let's just go ahead and color in right around both of these circles. Now, right above here, let's go ahead and make a little sad face for like the eyebrow. Right here, let's draw a line that's going to come up. Then let's curve this down. Then let's bring this up and down here in like a smile. I also like to put a little curve here for part of the mouth. Next, let's bring this line here. And we're going to bring this line down here. We can actually make it come a little bit farther. Let's draw a curve right here so we can put a scarf on here. Then we'll make one and then two bumps here. And then same thing here. We'll go one and then two bumps. We'll go ahead and connect this right here. Then we'll make a little wiggly line here and another little wiggly line here that we connect. Next, starting here, let's draw this line out here. Then right here, I'm going to bring this line up. We'll make a little line that's going to come down and up here for one of the little flippers. And then we're going to bring this line up. We'll bring this line up with a curve, and we'll make this line kind of come down with a curve. We'll go down, and we'll put a little bump here. And we'll bring it in here. Then let's make another one curve right here. Right here for the fin, let's bring this line up. We'll bring this down with a little bump, and then we'll tuck it in right there. Now we're going to give him a little hat too. So let's make some little bumps right here. Then we'll make a little line that's going to come out here and back down. Then we'll put a little circle at the end. Let's make some curves on here just for a little bit of detail. And then we can also put some little squiggly lines onto the scarf. And we'll do that same thing going this way too. Now let's make some teeth. So I'm going to make just a couple big teeth right inside of here. And then we'll do the same thing, just a few teeth here. We'll draw a little curve for the tongue. And a little line that comes down for the other side of the mouth. We'll also go ahead and put a little circle up here for the nose. Now for a little bit of detail on here, let's just make a little wiggly line that's just going to come up to the mouth. Then we're going to bring this down here. We'll go right to the little flippers and we'll make it kind of wiggly all the way down to here. We'll kind of make this line a little bit bigger. Then let's go ahead and add a couple little lines here for the gills. And then I'm going to put one little line that's just going to come down and up here for that other little fin. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little winter shark all bundled up for the cold. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.